Hi guys, I hope you're all doing well. I've been asked many times already about our new soil sifter Seb built for me and how it works. So I've been asked to make a video in action. So now I've got some soil here. I need to go through it, and yeah, I will show you how it works. It's a really great stuff. Seb built it from just the remainings we had here on site, and this is just a simple timber screwed together. He made the frame at first, and here are some washers in between, so it's easier to handle, and you can just put it together to store it. And yeah, this is a remaining mesh from the latest chook house we built, put in place here with these little guys. You can do it with nails as well. Really very simple, straightforward. And now I will do the sifting and you will see how it works. As you can see, our dogs are helping with the job today. So yeah. You can see how nicely the remainings go into the wheelbarrow. This is the topsoil I removed from the place where our new greenhouse comes. So not a bad soil at all. Super quick and easy. So yeah, this is how it works. You have seen it's really easy, and the result is great. Really super soil for anything. And when I finish the work, nothing easier than put it together. Like this, and that's all. And here again to show you the beautiful soil. So it works very well. I'm really happy with the result. The soil is beautiful, crumbly now. So I just moved it into the pot here, and we'll keep sifting, and you stay safe, and see you next time. Thanks, bye. And the worms from my worm farm will be very happy about this remaining stuff, to work on it and turn it into beautiful compost worm casting.